Amazon sellers, I have some really great news for you. The absolutely great news for Amazon sellers is that price gouging is no longer at the top of the Google Trends. Google Trends monitors what people are searching on Google. And for the last week or so, it has just been off the charts. How to make complaints against you, price gouging against you. It was just absolutely awful. So I'm really happy to report that that is no longer at the top of the Google search engines. If you're using Amazon seller support by telephone, I know it gives you sort of an emotional release. You think you have an answer to your question if and when they get on the phone. The problem is the advice that they often give sellers is absolutely wrong. The person answering the phone is not a high-level executive, and often just the information, even though they try to do the right thing, the information they give to sellers is just absolutely wrong. If they tell you to open up another account and you don't have those categories, they're just giving you bad advice. So be really, really careful if you are using Amazon seller support phone number. Also want to talk to you about hand sanitizer on Amazon. I highly recommend you stay away from this product. I know it's in demand. I know you can make good money on it. I also know it is incredibly risky because when it does come to the remaining price gouging issues that are going on, this is one of the products that sellers are getting slaughtered, even when they're simply charging fair rates for their products, even when they are undercutting what other sellers are doing. So there are 3 steps you need to do when you're developing a private label brand to get yourself going, okay? First is to find a product, and I cannot endorse Amazing Freedom. Andy Slammings and Nate, his partner, I can't recommend them highly enough, okay? Amazing Freedom can help you identify products, help you source products. So once you find a product and you create an entity, creating an entity, you do with a phone call. We use Blumberg, which is a legal service in New York. They can create entities anywhere in the country. Then you have to insure it. Contact Ashlin Hadden for all of your e-commerce insurance needs. Ashlin is an incredible business person, world-renowned in our industry. Okay, so now you have a product, you have an entity, you have insurance. Here are the 3 steps. The 3 steps to get started in private label selling, developing your own intellectual property rights and your own brand. Number 1, get your trademark, get your logo or your name trademark through Amazon's IP Accelerator program. It is fantastic. You get brand registry right away. Second step, create an awesome listing. You need great verbiage. You need to have great pictures. A picture says 1,000 words. And again, Amazing Freedom and Laurent can help you with this. That is the second step. The third step is to do brand protection like the big guys. As a law firm, we have grown with Amazon sellers. As more of you have developed private label brands, we have developed private label brand protection. And that's what you need to do. You need to monitor your listings. You need to know what to put in your product and your warranty so you can stop other people from selling your products. You need to take your product outside the first sale doctrine. Then, when you do have a hijacker, send them a cease and desist communication. We can show you what that communication should have in it and allow sellers to take themselves off your listing. You are a seller. You don't want to needlessly put anybody out of business or even take that risk. Then, if and only when it's necessary, as a last resort, you need to know how to file an intellectual property right complaint. If you need more information, if you need Andy's number, Ashlin's number, or just some free guidance on how you can grow as a seller and develop your private label brand, contact me directly. I love talking with entrepreneurs. I live and breathe this stuff.